Alright traders, check this out. Canadian Japanese yen, guys. This is an exclusive trading opportunity that we came up with just in the last couple of hours, right? This is really fresh stuff. And we think this is very a compelling situation. Basically, you probably remember we had a bullish conviction on the Canadian Japanese yen. In fact, we were ready to pull the trigger. All we wanted to have was a clear green light confirmation of a breakout above 81.26 and preferably 81.48. We were basically looking at these two key levels and also looking at them as one, as a cluster, right? But basically we wanted to have a weekly close above those two key levels, and I want to show you what happened here with that weekly close, guys. Take a look. So basically price closed right in between, right? Let me close up a little bit. So it closed at 81.34. That was the weekly bar close, right? Right in between, over 81.26, but I think more importantly, below 81.48. And that suggests that price is actually more likely at this point to have a downside reversal and go back to where it came from, essentially, which is the lower section. So this is what we would obviously we would talk about 79.58 to be the main target here, back on the lower section. Take a look at this failure to break through 81.48. That's a pretty big failure here. Price had to come back quite a distance just to close below, and it was trading well above during last week, right? So we think price coming back to close to break below 81.48 is a big sign that we're going to have another downside leg. And if you take a look at this trading range that seemingly got broken, right, just a few days ago, you can see that it's still kind of hadn't fulfilled its purpose, if you will. We only have here 3 moves, guys, only 3 swings. Usually we know the breakout is coming on the 4th, 5th, and mostly 6th move, but not before. It's very rare to see a breakout coming on the 3rd swing, which is very suspicious to begin with, right? Having that seemingly price breaking out here. So it's coming back now. It managed to stay below and stay right in the setup when you filter it out with the weekly closing bar. So at this point, we decided to take action, guys, right? And this is a relatively short-term perspective. We're only aiming for less than 200 pip, right? Probably around 200 pip actually from where we actually entered, which was just 10 pip ago, right? We've entered around 81.55. We're still very close by. You can see how price is beginning to react to that 81.48 here. Take a look. From the daily perspective, you can already see the amount of pressure it's coming from that 81.48. I think it's going to prevail and going to push price completely down. So let's just say this: we want to have price breaking below 81.26, which is right now that's the main obstacle. You can see how it's already posing as a support, right? So if price will be successful breaking through 81.26 by the end of the day or tomorrow, then we probably will begin to increase this position, right? We'll begin to feel comfortable with this short position. Later on, we should be signaling 80.58 as a potential secondary target, and final destination for us and primary price target 79.58. All right, starting with stop loss level, guys, at 83. And there you go. We'll have to take it from here next time when we come back to follow up on this one. That's about that for today. Have a lovely trading day, and we shall see you tomorrow. Take care.